In today's video we're going to learn feminine nouns with ending of I, ita. I vrisi, it has the accent in the second syllable from the end, and yorti that has the accent at the last syllable. I vrisi means the tap and yorti means celebration. And it's a very general word, so we say Christmas celebration, name day celebration, birthday celebration, national day celebration, any kind of celebration is yorti. Let's start with I vrisi. I vrisi, subject, tis vrisis, possessive, ti vrisi, object. We would never call vrisi, so I just crossed it out. I vrises, subject, plural, ton vrison, as you can see the tonus drops. Tis vrises, when they're an object, and we would never call the taps. Just a quick note here, we do not have an N because vrisi starts with a V, which is a soft sound. So it's not one of the hard sounds and it's not a vowel. So N is not necessary. Let's go to yorti. Yorti has the accent at the last syllable. So we're not going to see any changes of the tonuses. The accents usually drop in possessive, plural. But here the tonus is at the last syllable anyway. So I yorti, subject, tis yorti, possessive, ti yorti, object. We would never call the celebration, so we don't use a call, or otherwise it would be just I yorti. I yortes, subject, plural, ton yorton, of the celebrations, plural, tis yortes when the celebrations are an object. Let's see a couple of examples. Ας δούμε μερικά παραδείγματα. Η βρύση είναι χαλασμένη. The tap is broken. Της βρύσης. Το λαστιχάκι της βρύσης είναι στην αποθήκη. The rubber of the tap is in the storage. Τη βρύση. Φτιάχνω τη βρύση. I fix the tap. Οι βρύσες. Οι βρύσες είναι από τη Γερμανία. The taps are from Germany. Των βρυσών, of the taps. Τα ανταλλακτικά, the spare parts, των βρυσών, of the taps, δεν έχουν έρθει. They have not arrived yet. Τις βρύσες. Αγοράζω τις βρύσες, I buy the taps, από αυτό το μαγαζί, from this shop. Η γιορτή, the celebration. Η γιορτή της μητέρας είναι την άλλη εβδομάδα. Mother's Day is next week. Της γιορτής, of the celebration. Τα λουλούδια της γιορτής μόλις έφτασαν. The flowers of the celebration just arrived. Τη γιορτή. Πηγαίνω στην γιορτή της Κατερίνας. I go to the name day of Katerina. Οι γιορτές. The celebrations. Οι γιορτές των Χριστουγέννων είναι πάντα ευχάριστες. The Christmas celebrations are always happy. Των γιορτών, of the celebrations. Μπορούμε να πούμε τα δώρα των γιορτών, the presents of the celebration, είναι κάτω από το δέντρο, they're under the tree. Τις γιορτές, when they're an object, αγαπάω όλες τις χριστουγεννιάτικες γιορτές. I love all the Christmas celebrations. And that was the feminine nouns with ending of I. I hope this video was useful for you, and if it was, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And next time we're going to do feminine nouns with ending of alpha. Until next time, bye!